Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and today we're going to talk about how to listen to radio on your iPhone. To get straight to the point, iPhones don't have a built-in FM radio chip, which means they can't pick up traditional FM radio broadcasts directly. But don't worry, there are plenty of internet-based ways to stream radio on your iPhone, and they work really well given the variety of options available. One of the easiest ways to listen to radio on your iPhone is through Apple Music. If you're already an Apple Music subscriber, you can search for specific radio stations directly within the app. It's a convenient option, especially if you're already using the service for music. Another great choice is using third-party apps like TuneIn Radio, iHeartRadio, or MyTuner Radio. These apps offer thousands of local and international radio stations. You can search for specific stations or explore different regions and genres to discover new content. It's worth mentioning that Apple Music's radio feature actually uses the TuneIn service, so if you prefer, you can go straight to the TuneIn app for a similar experience without needing an Apple Music subscription. Some individual radio stations also have their own dedicated apps. These can be downloaded for a more direct experience, allowing you to listen live, access exclusive shows, and even catch up on missed broadcasts. If you'd rather not use an app, you can always open your browser and visit the official website of your favorite radio station. Many radio stations offer live streaming through their websites, making it another simple way to tune in. Just keep in mind that all of these options require an internet connection. Whether you're connected through Wi-Fi or using cellular data, make sure you have a stable connection, as streaming radio will use data to work properly. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you find the best way to listen to radio on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you later.